Hey everyone, today we're checking out the compact gaming combo, the Chonchow 100 RGB keyboard, high DPI mouse, and a 4-port USB hub with a Type-C adapter. Quick heads up, this product was sent to me for review, but as always, everything I share is based on my real-world testing and honest experience. Inside the box is your 100 RGB keyboard, one wired gaming mouse with up to 7200 DPI, one 4-port USB splitter, and one USB-A to USB-C adapter. I expected the wrist rest to be a rubber, but it's made of a plastic. The shape is perfect for my wrist, not that big and not that small. This half keyboard is clearly aimed at FPS players. You've got 35 keys. The RGB backlight offers two modes, which is breathing and static modes. You can switch these two modes by pressing the function key and caps at the same time. Breathe mode and static mode. I'll put it in static mode for now. That's how it looks like. You can also control your media by pressing function F1 to play media, function F2 or F3 to adjust the volume, function F4 to mute, and function F5 to stop the media. The built-in wrist rest is a nice feature that helps with comfort over longer playtime. The mouse included in this combo is designed with a symmetrical ergonomic shape that feels comfortable for both claw and palm grip styles. It features a total of 6 buttons: left click, right click, a scroll wheel with textured rubber grip, and it is clickable. The DPI switch button is located just below the scroll wheel, lets you toggle between your DPI levels. The forward button on the left side is useful for browser navigation or custom keybinds in games. The back button is also on the left side, positioned just behind the forward button. These side buttons are responsive and easy to reach with your thumb. The DPI button cycles through presets without any visual indicators, so you'll need to feel it out during gameplay. I tested the mouse on both a standard mousepad and directly on my wooden test surface, and tracking was consistent across both. However, without a mousepad, it does produce a bit of noise when sliding across the desk, likely due to the hard plastic feet underneath. I usually play without the mousepad, and that's not really a big deal for me because I always wear my headset and the noise isn't that loud that can wake up your roommate. The USB hub is a useful addition if you're short on ports. My keyboard has one USB port, so this is where I plugged it in. I run the mouse and Chonchow keyboard, and it works great without noticeable lag. It's working. Now it's working. I tested this kit with my main gaming PC, and it worked like my Corsair keyboard. It is even more quiet. It's fully plug and play, no drivers needed. On some setups, you might need to remap a couple of keys depending on your control layout, but nothing complicated. What I like about it is the bright RGB lighting, and it has two modes. I love that it has a button for adjusting your mouse DPI, which is very helpful when playing Call of Duty games. It is a plug and play without any drivers, and I love that they provided a USB hub. One thing I noticed is the spacebar is a little stiff at first, but after a few gaming sessions, they start to feel smoother. After spending time with this combo, I'd say it delivers what you'd expect from a low-cost setup. The keyboard and mouse are functional, with some quirks like stiff keys and a bit of noise on hard surfaces, but that's not really a big deal for me. The USB hub works fine as long as it stays stationary on your setup. Overall, it's a basic kit that gets the job done if you're not expecting premium quality. And for aesthetic, this combo will look really nice in your desk setup. If you want to check this out, I added the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.